Hey YouTube fam! Today, we're diving into the world of MagSafe accessories with the SUPERONE MagSafe phone grip. This sleek accessory boasts a whopping 4.8 pounds of magnetic force, ensuring a snug fit for your iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12 series. First things first, let's talk about the grip. The soft elastic finger straps make holding your phone a breeze, providing a comfortable and secure feel. Slip in 1 to 2 fingers effortlessly without worrying about snagging. But it's not just a grip. It's a 4-in-1 powerhouse. The two-ways ring grip doubles as a stand, allowing you to prop your phone at various angles for the perfect viewing experience. Whether you're into watching videos, movies, or indulging in some TikTok or FaceTime action, this accessory has you covered. The 360 degrees rotatable stand is a game changer, offering versatility in viewing angles. Tested for durability, the finger loop rotates smoothly and can withstand 35,000 folds without losing its grip. The best part? Easy attach and detach. No sticky residue, and it works seamlessly with wireless chargers. When you want to use the stand function, just pop it on the back of your MagSafe compatible iPhone, and it aligns instantly. Now, a quick heads up. This is exclusively designed for the iPhone 12, 13, 14, 15 series and MagSafe certified cases. It won't stick to other phone models or non-MagSafe cases. Worry-free guarantee. SUPERONE stands by its product, offering an 18-month hassle-free warranty and lifetime technical support. Any questions? The SUPERONE team is ready 24/7 to assist. In conclusion, the SUPERONE MagSafe phone grip is a stylish, functional accessory for your MagSafe-compatible iPhone. If you're looking for a secure grip, versatile stand, and a touch of convenience, this might just be your perfect match. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.